Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to quickly show you how you can use ClickUp AI. It's called Brain. Yeah, really, Brain. So to actually use this, just look on the left hand side and you'll find it. Click here and you have Brain. You can connect apps there or you can scroll down and use it like a chat GPT or whatever it is. And of course, you can use it for whatever it is. Use it to do whatever you want. And if you're, for example, on your home or you're in whatever task or project that you have, let me click my workspace here and click on a project. You can use this as well. So if you're in a project or a task and you click on a task, for example, and you open it and you'd like to use the AI, it's to write with AI, this is write with Brain. You click on that and you have Brain available to you right here. And you can basically say whatever you want. So I can just say, create a description, and I can just say, create whatever. You see, it start to create a description for me with ease, guys. And I can basically, it creates it for me and I can add that right into whatever, right? You can just basically say insert and it's going to insert it for you. And that's it. So you have it right here that you can use within anywhere. As you can see, even right here, you have it in the upper right. So you just look for the icon, Ask Brain or Ask AI. But on the left hand side, you can click on it and you have a full page here for Brain. You can use it. Pretty easy, right? And you can switch to all sources, tasks, document, whatever, wikis, and so forth. And you can even connect apps. Here you can see you can connect apps and you can start working with it as well. Once you connect an app, you can ask about whatever it is, right? So see, is once you connect an app, you can ask about whatever. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple. That's how you can use Brain or AI in ClickUp.